All right, I'm back at camp sitting at the picnic table because I have no chair to sit on. I can't believe it. But oh well. Anyways, it's about a little after 4:30 right now, I think. In between 4:30 and 5, somewhere in there. So I'm just gonna be hanging around the camp for a while, and yeah, that's the plan for right now. See if I can figure out a way to sit comfortably. So I might move the picnic table over by the fire ring after all, on the, so I can sit on it next to the campfire. Okay. Oh, man, I can't believe I forgot the chair. Sitting on the chair around the campfire is one of my favorite parts of camping, and here I forgot the chair. But I suppose there's worse things to forget. Oh well, I'll deal with it. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna. I'll talk to you later. I'll be doing some more clips later on. So, all right, talk to you later. Okay, it's about 6:45 p.m. right now, and basically I've been sitting here at the picnic table pretty much the whole time. I was in the van for a little while, but it was a little bit too warm in there. But anyways, I did get my some of my campfire supplies out now, and I'm going to take and get the firewood stacked up in the fire pit, the fire ring, and get the campfire started. And sunset is about, I think, what was it, 7:17 tonight. So I've got a little bit over a half an hour before sunset, and of course not long after that, it'll get dark. So I'm going to take and get everything ready here and get ready for supper. All right, the fire is lit. You have to see if it keeps going. Looking good so far. Of course, a lot of that's probably still the lighter fluid. But tonight I'm planning on having hamburgers. I'm going to use that out of the way. I'm going to cook the hamburger patties on my cast iron skillet, of course. So I have one hand here. There, got it out. There we go. Use this as a cover when I... Alright. I'll let make sure the campfire is going. Wow, what is it going? You have to wait for it to go down before I start putting the pan on. Okay, talk to you later. I've got my light ready for when it gets dark. As darkness is coming. When I was camping at Task this past summer, that was on the longest days of the year, I would have had still like almost 2.5 hours worth of light yet if it would have been summertime right now. But yeah, late September, it gets dark earlier. Well, I think the good firewood. Okay, it is right now it's 7:18. This means that the sun set 1 minute ago. So it'll be start getting dark pretty quick here now, I think. This is what it looks like now. In this little sloop, we have 9 total campsites. Of course, I'm in this one. There's one there, and then someone else right down that fence at the end of that fence line. Only 3 sites occupied so far tonight, and I don't expect anyone else to show up at this time of night. But still waiting for the fire to kind of die down a little bit more before I put the pan on the grill there. Really good firewood. Lit really easily and still going strong. Gosh, so beautiful, quiet, and peaceful. Nice. That's just water in there. I have that available so I can dump the water on it at the end of the night before I go to bed, onto the campfire when I go to bed tonight. There we go. There, I got the pan on. I just set it on there just a few seconds ago, literally. I can let it warm up, and then I'll be putting in hamburger patties on. Gosh, I love camping. There we go. About 7:30 right now, and I just put them on just like 30 seconds ago. And of course, a little bit more darker now. There, you see the Buffalo River through the trees. Yeah, turn that light on now. Take and check the, see if we're able to see them. Yeah, they look done. Yeah, too dark for the camera though. But I'm gonna get the buns ready. Wait, I'm gonna take and rotate that off the fire. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to get the buns ready. And I got a couple slices of cheese, so I'll have cheeseburgers. Okay, there they are. I should probably gotten just regular hamburger buns instead of these big instead of these. But yeah, there is cheese on the hamburger patty on there, so all right, I'm gonna take and eat, enjoy my meal. Okay, I had to eat a little while before I got to the actual hamburger patty. That's how big the bun was. But now for the bite, the hamburger patty. Mmm. Very good. I'd even forgot the seasoning at home. That's another thing I forgot. I also forgot my s'mores ingredients. The marshmallows, chocolate bars, and graham crackers. Forgot them too. But oh well. This'll do. Well, that was good. Just finished the first one. So I think I'm just going to take and wrap up this video, today's video. And because all I'm going to do now is just to eat and put everything away and and do nothing else. So that's going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for tomorrow's videos.